I recently just checked how much YouTube is currently paying for 1000 views for different creators in 2026, and I was wowed. Honestly, before I got monetized, I used to think that 1000 views is just 1000 views. But after being able to manage and run different channels, I discovered that this particular channel can earn triple of what this channel is going to earn for 1000 views. So basically in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to us how much three different channels earn for 1000 views, and you're going to be surprised, honestly. So if you're still struggling to pick out a niche, or you are still a small YouTuber still building your channel, this video is going to really help you, and it's going to also be a kind of encouragement for you to push further. Okay, so as usual, try your best to make sure to pay maximum attention to every single thing that I'm going to be sharing with us right now. And with that much be said, let's get started. So hi my love, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life of Princess Chiamaka. So on this particular channel, all what we talk about is YouTube paycheck, how much you can actually earn per different amount of views on YouTube, motivational videos to keep you going, and also some YouTube growth insights you need to use for your channel for you to get the right visibility. So if this video sounds like something you might be interested or you would want to see always on your screen, please make sure to do well to subscribe and become part of this amazing family. Okay, before we even start, I'm going to be reviewing three different niches and three different channels. So the first niche we're going to be reviewing is the faceless niche. Okay, while the second one is YouTube growth and tutorial, then the last niche is lifestyle. So if your content or your channel falls among any of these category, let's assume you are not yet monetized, this is something you are expected to earn. Okay, so we are going to be starting first from the faceless niche, just like as I said earlier. So let's quickly go over straight into my YouTube studio analytics, and let's go over to one of the video on my faceless channel that currently has only 1000 views, so that we can as well know how much one is expected to earn. Okay, so unluckily for us, I couldn't really find any video with exact 1000 views, but we have this particular video here that currently has 1.1k views. It's almost same amount as 1000 views, but let us just go ahead and review it. So we don't really need to check any much details here, just the audience location of the video. And the audience location of this video is, you can see it's United States, 27.7%, while we have Philippines, Trinidad, and the rest. Okay, so let's just head over straight to the revenue, and this is exactly how much YouTube paid me. $8.50. You can see how crazy it is. This is really high. Don't worry, we're going to be reviewing other ones. Okay, so this is actually for 1.1k views, $8.50. Now for 1000 views, let me show you how much this channel actually earned for 1000 views. Look below, you can see this figure, $7.53. That is what YouTube pays for every 1000 views on this particular channel. Okay, now this is what I talked about earlier on. This is how much advertisers are paying for this video, $12.47, and this is RPM. After YouTube removed what that is their percentage, they decided to pay me $7.53. Actually, the last time I checked this, it was actually higher than this. It was around $9, if I'm not mistaken. So the reason why it dropped down to this $7.53 is because the video stopped performing. That is, the video stopped getting high visibility. It happens to some niche on YouTube. If you post a video, your CPM and RPM can be high, but the minute those videos stop getting views, then YouTube will start reducing the RPM. So that was what happened to this video. If not, I should have earned around over $10 for 1.1k views, which is crazily high. Okay, so let's just go over to the next niche on our list. The next niche is going to be YouTube growth and tutorial. That is coming from my main YouTube channel. So we're just going to go over and look for a video here that has just 1000 views. So this video here has gotten 1.2k views, I think I posted this video last month, though it didn't really perform well. That's why it got this 1.2k views. So we're going to be reviewing it together to know, okay, sorry, this one has 1.1k. I think this is much more better. So let's quickly check out how much this video that has 1.1k views earned me for this channel. So as usual, the first thing we have to check is the audience location, because just like as I told us earlier on, the audience location of your viewers matters a lot. That is, the location of your viewers matters a lot. And for this particular channel, or this niche, you can see it, Nigeria is 46.8%, while United States is just 4.4. Then the next one is Ghana. So I don't even expect much from this particular channel, that is for this particular video, because Nigeria is overall. And you know, African countries, their CPM and RPM is low, like it's very very low. So let's just go over to the revenue to check how much I earned. So this video has actually fetched me $1.52. Oh my god, it's actually very very small. It's actually very very small. Okay, okay. I think this was when I. Nevertheless, this is how much this particular. I'm surprised though. Ah, wow. So this is how much YouTube pays per revenue for 1,000 views for this video. $1.35. While this is how much advertisers pay, $2.42. I think I didn't really put much out on this video. I really can't remember. But for this my channel, just to prove us wrong, sorry, just to prove this particular earning wrong, I might as well attach another of RPM for this niche. The RPM for this my channel is between $2.05 to $3, that is, and above. So I really don't know why this particular one is drastically low like this. So just like as you can see, revenue per 1,000 views is $1.35, and how much advertisers are paying is $2.42. So at the end of the day, for 1,000 views on this particular video and on this channel, I earned $1.35. Okay, let's quickly check another video. This is crazily low. Okay, let's check out this particular video that I have here. This video, let's check the revenue. Okay, revenue per 1,000 views, you can see it's $2.26, because I know that ever since this year, my revenue per 1,000 views on this my channel has always been between $2.22 down to $3 or $4. But as of last year, it was way way higher, and as of early January, it was also higher. So that is one thing about YouTube earning. It fluctuates sometimes. There are some months that you will make high money, while there are some months you make low money, or there are some days you make lower money. Okay, so let's go over to the last niche we have on our list, which is lifestyle niche. And we're going to be making use of this channel you all are watching me from as an example, because it's a lifestyle channel. So for this particular channel, we're going to be using this video as an example. This video has gotten 1,000 views, very, like, no addition, no subtraction. So let's quickly check on the audience, and the audience of this video has Nigeria is 51.7%. God, India is 5.3%, and Kenya is 2.3%. This is crazy. So let's go ahead and click on revenue of this video, and this is what we have, $1.26. It's even kind of high, because I didn't even expect it. Wow. So this is revenue per 1,000 views, $1.17, and this is how much advertisers are paying, $2.02. So this is what I got, $1.26 for 1,000 views. Yeah, so I believe with this few point of mine, you can actually see that so far so good. The faceless niche actually has the highest CPM and RPM, and one of the reason is because of one, it's a faceless niche, then secondly, the location of my viewers, which we also they are all mostly from United States. I still have some videos on that channel that 1,000 views alone is around $11. I think I have reviewed that on this channel one of the video I shared back then on how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views. So this is me trying to make you to understand that as a creator here on YouTube, you are not expected to earn the same amount per 1,000 views with another niche or another creator. Okay. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and also share your niche with me. Maybe I might make research and get back to us on how much that niche can actually earn per 1,000 views. And at the end of the day, I'm not going to say, okay, because of maybe my Faceless channel earns more, I need to go ahead and close down other channels that are not earning as high as that. Just go ahead and pick your niche, okay, and double down, upload more, because on YouTube here, if you want to earn more, you need to upload more. And uploading more does not really mean you should post every day or bombard your channel with videos all in the name of you want to make money. The YouTube algorithm system, they're going to understand what you're trying to do. So in all what you do here on YouTube, I think quality should beat everything. That is being able to always deliver videos that your audience are hungry, or problem solving videos.